I work in Yermilov Center, which is contemporary art center in Kharkiv on the east. We opened our center 5 years ago to show Ukrainian and foreign contemporary art. Our main activities are exhibitions, performances, lectures, workshops, and other cultural events. We like to show that our center is open for cooperations and for new partners, for good projects.
I'm Maya. First, I'm Georgian with strong identity. And the second, I'm representing Tbilisi State Academy of Art. My academy is about 100 years old, the only one in Georgia, and is representing all the fields of art. We are involved in international many projects like Erasmus, Ex-Campus. We're participating in Creative Europe projects too, so we are absolutely open for creative collaboration.
My name is Anastasia. I come from Moldova and to represent German Culture Center Accenter. We have activities and projects in different fields, from visual arts, film, theatre, even literature. Our activities mainly are addressed to students and young people, trying to involve them in different workshops and trainings, and then to offer them opportunities to exchange experiences with other initiatives abroad.
My name is Oksana Chikalik and I'm curator of the Modern Art Research Institute in Ukraine, in Kyiv, which mission is to create a space for reflection and research of cultural study or art history, focusing on all disciplines and publishing it. But now, as a curator, I'm focusing on the international traveling exhibition of the title Intermarium Odyssea, which might connect the Baltic Sea conflict, Black Sea and Adriatic, and I'm looking for the partner